What is going on, Dan? Unfiltered, checking out The Haunted, The Flood. And this comes from Spooks. You guys have any quests? Just hit me up. Spooks? Is this on purpose? Spooks? You know, like ghosts? The Haunted? Correlation. Probably wasn't intentional, but I'm overthinking. But it kind of correlates. Let's check this out. I did like 5 seconds of half-assed internet research. They're Canadian. That's all I could find about them. We don't get many Canadian bands on this channel, like requests. It's pretty rare. Let's check it out. Canada. Ooh. What? You give up your rights for your limitations and abandon all. One step further down the line as the flood begins to rise. You're on your knees, faking ambition. Now close your eyes and it's a weird fucking doctor, bro. He was riding that man. Let's not think too deep into the video. we might go down a bad path. But that was a pretty sweet chorus, man. Like, the way it sounded, I was expecting a clean vocal to hit that. Nah, he stayed harsh vocal and he crushed it.
I know there are things from the past that could never be brought back. The ghosts of steel ideals and burning rituals. Yes, simplified and named depictions of a different world. A lie to serve the world. The voices in them. I can give up your rights for your limitations.
Go.
I lay down your arms. One step further down the line as the flood begins to rise. You're on your knees, faking ambition. Now close your eyes.
What the this video is fucking trippy.
In the darkest corner of my mind, I see a boy with a crooked smile, with a crown made of tinsel and glass.
We gotta rewind this. We've gone down a whole rabbit hole here. Crazy. And nicely done that when some weird shit happened. The whole video's been some weird shit, but truly weird shit. He cut off the top of the guy's head. His brain had like a door, and the camera like went through it. So now we're in this guy's mind, and the song matched in terms of it completely changed. That's a whole different song than it was a couple seconds ago. Completely different. I like that it matched the video, or the video matched the song.
In the darkest corner of my mind, I see a boy with a crooked smile, with a crown made of tinsel and glass beads on a wire, singing a song out of time. Now if you believe, I'll bleed for you.
Let's go.
And if nothing to lose.
What the hell was that video? That was some crazy. That was some crazy shit. Some being John Malkovich type of, maybe mixed with like Dr. Frankenstein type of shit going on there. Very strange video. But the song, they threw a curveball at me. It felt like, okay, this sounds like a nice little metal song from probably early 2000s ish. Somewhere in there, judging by the sound, you can kind of feel it. But then they threw a wicked curve, I guess, at the bridge portion. It completely shifted. Like, it stripped everything away. And we got, you can call it clean vocals, I guess, but he was kind of sing-talking. But you can call it clean vocal. For the bridge, and it gave us like a little creepy thing, and he slowly built tension before he screamed the song back to us. Like, it came back. The Haunted. Did not expect this. They've got my attention now. Now they've got my attention. That was interesting. Did not expect that. But judging by their Wikipedia, again, I only glanced real quick. I like to see where a band's from a lot of times. I don't think they've done a lot. Probably not a lot of songs. So this is probably the only Haunted song we'll find. All right. I assume they might just be they got one good punch off and then fizzled. I have no idea, but it's a good chance of it. But that was good stuff, man. Did not expect that Toolish, like Tool-esque, if you will, bridge there. It's kind of throwing me through a loop. Well done. Well done. And whoever did the video, because you know, the director of the video hears the song first. Songs always happens way in advance. And they try to come up with an idea for the video. I liked that they matched. They knew that was a strange curveball they sent us in the song. So like, all right. We'll do that in the video too. We'll go inside this fucking cadaver's brain door where there's like claymation people and a dog. Yeah, that happened. Let me know what you think down below. The Haunted, The Flood. Canada. Canadians, you're fucking weird, guys. What? Canadians.